Hello viewers, this is Ilyas of Software Company and I am your instructor Muhammad Ilyas. And today video we are learn how to create the setup file for our projects. So open your open your project and then follow these steps. But here I am creating the new projects. So let's me create the new project. Here create setup, or this is the setup demo. This is my project mean setup demo. So once your project is loaded successfully, then here I am just place the level or button right here, the mm, setup demo. See, and demo showing some message. Hello, this is setup demo. Okay, so first once you complete your projects, then test first. Completely test means your project is working completely correctly or not. So first test your projects. Okay, so here my project is working successfully. So then after that, first rebuild, clean, and then rebuild. Then here select the release folder, not the debug one. So now select the release and then rebuild. So once you rebuild, here I am going to show the release folder inside and the bin folder. So the here right click here and go to the folder. So open folder in Explorer and then click on the bin, and here you see this is the release one. So now you click here some files are created, clean and rebuild, and then check it's in release, run and see project is working. So then go to the project property, right click here, go to the property, and here see the assembly name, default namespace. This is the targeted framework, and this is the output types. The targeted framework is the requirements of these applications. This application means your exe file, and here is the assembly informations means which company, descriptions, demo, copyrights, trademark, and this is the ID which is stored and gig, and this is the language. If you want to select the language, select from here and make assembly com visible. But and then once you provide this information, then click on the OK button, and then go to the signing publish, and here you see the publish folder locations where you want to save after publish the exe file, and here's the installation folder, and here is the application file. In case of if you are using the third-party materials, so add these materials here manually like this, show the file, and click and include these file, means your database files and so on, and then click on the OK button. But if you want to disexclude and set the default files, so then click on the reset all like this, show, include, and then resets. So you see this is none. Okay, and then click on the OK buttons. Here is the this option is used for the requirements for your application. So once your application during installation, check these files. If these files are installed successfully, means already installed, means exist in the current system, so then the file will be installed, the exe will be installed. Otherwise, show the message please install these application which is required for me, and now click on the OK button. So once this setup is complete, then this is the updates, means for application update notifications, and here is the options which is used for the publisher name, product name, URL, error. Here is the deployment information web page. This means once the application is deployed, the page will be open after publish, and this is the mini first mean data about data, allow URL parameter and block application from being activated by URL, and so on. Here is create desktop shortcut, and so on. Here is the association file, and then okay. Here is the publish version, which is major, minor, build, and reversion. But here you manage the reversion automatically. So this is the best way you can check it. Means manage it's automatically increment reversion with each publish. Here is the two option, which is one is the for publish visit, and this is the publish. Now in case if you are provide means if these information are correct, then just click on the publish. Now once you click the publish one, it's created, and here the exe file is created successfully. But if you want to see these one by one step, so now click on the publish wizards, and see here you get the window. Means if you want to change the file, the publish application locations, so now click and change the application. After publish, the exe file will be located on your custom path. Now click on the next. Here is from CD or DVD room. This is the application check updation location. Means your um, website path where the application update file available. And this is the application will not check for the update. And now click on the finish. So here you see the same type of file will be created. So this is the exe file, and the method is called click once. The click once method is provide Visual Studio by default. So now select these files. These three files are is your setup file. Now click here and click on the add to archive and setup as a okay. So this is your publish, or click on here, change the name is setup. So here you see these three files are located here. So the your publish file is here, means there here are two versions, okay. And here, so if if you want to install this file, then copy this file to your client system, and now click on this set of files. So here you see the application is installing, and now click on the install button. So here you see the application working successfully. Let's me check, close all the file. Here you see this is the shortcut demo, the shortcut which is created on desktop, and see here this is the setup demo. So this is the method, means how to create the exe file or setup file of your applications.